Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue npm error file npm.ps1 cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on the system. So I am getting this error when I try to run the command npm install in my PowerShell. So solution is going to be so simple. We need to just run this command over here, which is set execution policy scope current user execution policy remote signed. So you can either pause the video and type it out, or you can get the command from my video description. So I'll just copy this and put it here and hit enter. That's it. Now if I run the exact same npm install command, this time as you can see I'm not getting any errors, and here we are having the node_modules folder and all the npm packages are getting installed. So you saw that, right? That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.